What I enjoy most about being a farmer is literally the animals. I could spend all day with the animals, just hanging out, grooming them, interacting.
It's the whole lifestyle of it that's enjoyable, and it's a family lifestyle that I don't pack up and go to work for the week and the kids don't see me till Friday night sort of thing. I'm at home all the time, so it's a pretty good life. My name is Darcy. I'm from Oak Point in the Interlake region of Manitoba, and I farm with my wife Lanna and our 2 kids.
I'm not sure that I wanted to be a farmer. I always knew I wanted to do something with animals. I worked at a vet clinic for a small while. I enjoyed that a lot, but once I started living with Darcy here and working on the dairy farm, I knew it's what I wanted to do.
My grandparents started dairy farming here in 1948. My parents took over the farm from them in 1967, and my wife and I took over in 2013. My dad still comes over and helps every day with basic chores and stuff, and he likes tractor driving jobs. Our son Andrew is 18, and he's basically a full-time worker on the farm now, and our daughter Layla is 13, and she's learning a lot of responsibilities, feeding calves and that sort of job.
I think Andrew growing up on the farm and participating in 4-H definitely got him interested in going to college. I know from a young age he was not the most enthusiastic kid about going to school. 4-H motto is learn to do by doing.
Yeah, our kids have been involved with 4-H dairy and showing cattle for 5 or 6 years now, and it's really just taught them the responsibility of the day-to-day health of that animal.
And just interacting with people they normally wouldn't, and making friends that are from places that they wouldn't normally meet, and making long-lasting friendships.
"2021 has been probably the most challenging year our farm has faced. It's the 4th year of drought, and it's been the worst. Besides that, we were hit with a late May frost, which pretty much stopped the growth of our alfalfa, which is our main feed crop. And then we were also hit with a heavy infestation of grasshoppers. So on our farm, not a lot of crops grew here at all, so we've been buying, most of our feed has been coming in on trucks, so it's costing us a bit, but we found enough good feed to keep things going for the next year, so we're thankful for the guys that are able to sell that stuff to us. Farmers always say next year, so we'll just keep looking forward to next year.
I think things that keep us motivated and optimistic is just our kids. You just want to see the farm continue.
I'd like them to remember the good times we had working together on the farm, and the things they've learned, and to help them become who they are, I guess, yeah.
Day in, day out, you're out there for a reason, and that's to feed people.
I think a lot of the pride in producing food is that you realize what a small percentage of people are actually farmers, that you're producing food for a large percentage of the population from just one farm.